welcome to this course. First, an introduction. Who are we, the organ trainers of this course? So we make the database Bgee, database of gene expression expertise, and we are myself, Marc Robinson-Rechavi, and Frédéric Bastian. So who am I? I did a PhD in Lyon, in France. I defended my PhD in 1997, so in the previous millennium, on the evolution of rodent genomes. And I was doing bioinformatics at the time, although the name did not yet exist. And I became, after several adventures in different fields, I became professor of bioinformatics at the University of Lausanne exactly 20 years ago in 2005 at the Department of Ecology and Evolution, which I also had since 2 years. I started a project on gene expression and homology between species in 2003 while I was still in Lyon. I moved the project with me in 2005 to Lausanne. In 2007, I had Frédéric, who took the leadership of this project, and it has been going since. I direct a research group which on the one hand develops bioinformatics tools, Bgee, but also others, and on the other hand studies evolutionary biology, especially how evolutionary forces such as natural selection or drift act to make patterns of animal evolution and development. And on a personal note, I am a big fan of open access and very proactive in this field, open access, open science, and also very active as much as I can on questions of equity, diversity, and inclusion, which can also be called diversity, equity, and inclusion in North America. And these are just some photos of my path over the years. This is the first group I had in Lyon. Why are the slides changing? The first group I had in Lyon in 2000. This is the group in 2006, and this is a collaboration I had. I don't know why the slides keep changing, and I don't manage to change it. Sorry. This is. I'm sorry. I have to get the slides to stop changing. I'm really sorry for this. How do you tell it to? I never had this before. I didn't have it when I rehearsed. I don't understand. Okay, I will try again. Sorry about this. Okay. So this is a collaboration I have with paleontologists, and it's us together looking at fossil traces of dinosaurs. And this is me with Frédéric giving me a present for my promotion to full professor. And this is the whole group. As you see, we are a rather large group. About half of them work on Bgee. Frédéric Bastian started his PhD with me in Lausanne in 2007 on the analysis of gene expression patterns in animals, and he took over the Bgee project and made it really work. He started Bgee with only 5 species and only expression sequence tags, which are an ancestor of other transcriptomics methods. Then we were lucky to get Bgee funded by the SIB, Swiss Institute of Bioinformatics, which supports bioinformatic resources. And now we have a team of 10 people who develop Bgee. And Frédéric is Associate Director of the Evolutionary Bioinformatics Group, the group which develops Bgee. And here you see that Frédéric is a very social person who participates actively in writing together, hackathons, and discussions of science around drinks or food. And now I will open a WooClap to ask you how you identify. And I will try to fix the problem that my slides keep changing on their own. So if you go to the WooClap, we're asking you to tell us how you identify as a bioinformatician, a computational biologist, a genome biologist, a data scientist, a biomedical researcher, an evolutionary biologist. This allows us to better know who you are, what you want to know, and also maybe it can give you an idea who your colleagues are in this course and who we are sharing this course with.
And I see someone answering in the chat. You have to follow the link we provided to WooClap, and then on this link you can answer. So that then we see breakdowns and statistics of where do you come from.
Okay, so maybe we should have given you a bit more time. Not everyone answered, but most of you identify either as bioinformaticians or as biomedical researchers. So I hope that we will be able to show you how to use Bgee in your work. A bit less evolutionary biologists this year. Okay, and so are there